Over the next few minutes, this training, which supplements various FBD installation and service manuals, will cover how to successfully install a frozen beverage dispenser. Connecting the bib syrup supply to the dispenser. Fabricate the appropriate number of 3/8-inch supply lines for connecting the dispenser to the syrup pumps. Then connect the syrup lines to the appropriate bulkhead fittings at the rear of the dispenser. They are labeled, depending upon the dispenser being installed, as syrup right, syrup left, syrup center, or flavor 1, 2, 3, or 4. Do not turn on the CO2 at this time. Connecting the syrup supply to the dispenser. To connect the bib, or bag and box, to the dispenser, use the appropriate installation procedure for the system being connected. It is important to note that installations requiring long runs of tubing, 25 feet or 7.62 meters or more, may encounter pressure fluctuation problems. The machine sensors may indicate that the dispenser is out of syrup, water, or CO2. To avoid pressure fluctuations, consider these options. Increase the tubing size to a 1/2-inch size, or install booster pumps in the supply lines. Use a vacuum regulating valve with syrup booster pumps. Another option is to increase the primary CO2 regulator pressure from the bulk or CO2 tank to 105 to 120 psi. In this case, a secondary regulator will be necessary for syrup pumps to avoid exceeding the manufacturer's recommended operating pressures. Set the secondary regulator to 70 to 72 psi. For more information, please visit www.fbdfrozen.com.